Your Sony XM4 or XM3 headband is starting to wear out, or maybe you have a new one and you want to protect it. My name is Or from Wicked Cushions, and in today's video I'm going to show you the perfect solution for that. Our WC Bands headband covers for Sony XM3 and Sony XM4. Let me move you to the top of the table. I'll show you how to install these headband covers and how they look like. So let's start. Okay, so it's going to be very simple. This is the headband cover. As I said, it fits the same to the XM3 and the XM4. It's a zipper method, so all you gotta do is zip it on one side. Like this. And then simply zip it up. Adjust it a little bit. And that is it. If you want to try them out, simply click at the link at the top right corner right now or in the description below and let me know what you think. And that is it for today's video, everyone. I really hope that it was helpful. If you have any questions, do not hesitate to contact us. Our contact information is in the description below. If you like this video, please click the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this every month. I will see you in the next one. Meanwhile, stay wicked, my friends.